Hey guys, it's Lisa from TradeLabs. In today's video, I'm going to be going over a wonderful pair, GBP New Zealand. I'm also going to be going into detail about how I won over 200 pips in just one day from this pair with help from my wonderful indicator. Hey guys, it's Lisa from TradeLabs. Now in this video, I'm about to be showing you a wonderful pair called GBP New Zealand. Now this is a very exciting pair, and I'm going to be giving you the recap on the trends and how I gained a beautiful number of pips today. Spoiler alert, over 200 pips in just one day. Amazing. I'm also going to be going into detail about how the indicator you use is very beneficial towards your winnings. The indicator that I'm using here is the Caterpillar. Now let's get into these charts. So right here I have my chart open. We are looking at GBP New Zealand. And I just wanted to touch real quick on my indicator that I'm using. It's called the Caterpillar. And the reason I'm bringing this up is because it has helped me with my wins in a significant way. Because this channel is all about helping you guys out with your trades, because we all know that Forex trading is a very busy market and it is a very dodgy market as well. You can have high wins and you can also have high losses. So that's why it's really important that you have a good indicator that helps you with your high probability success rate. So this indicator that I've been using is called the Caterpillar indicator. Like I said, essentially it's two sets of bars. The white set of bars is the price, and the second set of bars, which you see are the green and red, that represents the Caterpillar, okay? This is essentially a reflector drawing tool. So we have a reflection of the first set of white bars right here, and the second one right here keeps you in the trend. Because guys, let me tell you right now, stick with the trend. Trend's your friend. Stick with the trend until the end, okay? And this trend tool will definitely help with that. It'll help with your high probability success rate. Like I said, you will be gaining more wins, and that's what you want. You want to get more pip. It's just really important because, again, Forex trading, you can have a lot of losses, but what you want, of course, are the pips. You want the most pips. And in order to do that, you really need to have something solid, like a nice indicator. And that's why I just wanted to bring it up, the Caterpillar indicator. Of course, if you want a free demo, I have the link in the description so you can check it out. It is definitely worthwhile. The candlesticks are super old, but the Caterpillar is new and it's definitely reliable. Now let's look into this pair. So we begin right here. Of course, the Caterpillar was red for a bit, but I noticed it was beginning to turn green, which meant that we were going up. So on this tick, the Caterpillar began to turn green. So that means that right here on the second tick, I began to buy, okay? So this worked out pretty well for me. As you can see right here, we started around 680 right here. And then the Caterpillar began to turn red just at around 710. So that means with this trend, we won around 30 pips, which is a pretty great number, okay? Right here, the Caterpillar did flicker red for a moment, and then it went green for just a couple more ticks until finally the Caterpillar decided, nope, we are going down. So right now, you want to be shorting, okay? So I reversed and I began to short right here at around 710, okay? So we're smoothly going down to 665. So this has a nice win of around 45 pips, which is even more than before. So we're growing in pips through this trend, okay? And then I noticed that the Caterpillar was beginning to go up. So I reversed yet again and I began to buy. Again, I bought at the second tick for 670. That's the number that we were at. And we began to climb and climb, and we just kept going for a good long while. Now this is pretty impressive. This is why I wanted to show you guys this pair today, because of the wonderful trends that we are seeing. The Caterpillar is looking beautiful today, and the Forex trading market is looking good. So just as I am, you should be buying right around here. You never want to be shorting something like this because, of course, it's in the green. You're not going to make any pips. You are going to lose pips. So you want to make sure that you are sticking with the trend, because that is how you win, okay? This strategy will run for you 24/7, okay? So keep going up here and does flicker red for just a little bit. It's just a tiny bit of choppiness, I would say. It's not important. It's just around 1 or 2 pips here, which compared to all of this, not really anything to make a note of. Anyways, we continue to go up because the caterpillar right here, it was like, are we going down? And then it's like, nope, we're going up. So we continue coming up this way for a wonderful win. See, right now we are at 820 right here. And then if we go back, if you can remember, and right here we're at around 660. So that's a pretty miraculous win, okay? So, wow, this is an 160 pip win. That's a lot, okay? Let me say that again, an 160 pip win. So this is why when I tell you to stick with the trend is how you win. This is what I mean, okay? Because 160 pips is a big number. This is how much money you would get off of this, which is pretty incredible. And this is only if you're on one lot, you know, if you are on more than one lot, it's even more, okay? It doubles, it triples, it quadruples, it gets higher and higher and higher. Thank you to the caterpillar for keeping me in check and letting me know when it is good to buy and when it is good to short. So here, the caterpillar notified me that it was going to finally get in the red. So I reversed and I began to short on this second tick right here. And we just keep going down. So we continue to trend far down. We experience a bit of choppiness right here. The caterpillar was like, okay, are we going up? Nope. Red. Going up? Nope. Red again. Okay, again, choppiness isn't really something to note on. It's not a big deal. So we continue. The caterpillar's thinking. It's like, nope, we're going down. And this is a huge trend, okay? It takes up the screen. It is ginormous. It is something that we love to see here in the Forex trading market. It's just a beautiful win, of course, if you are shorting, because, let's see how many pips, okay? 705. It ends off, and let's see where it begins. Okay, we're going. 820. So 820 minus 705 is a good amount of pips. Yeah, that's a good one right there. This is a miraculous win right here. Of course, we did experience a bit of choppiness, so we might have a few pips cut off of that number, but overall in the grand scheme, look how this compares to this. So in instances like this, I am extremely thankful for the caterpillar indicator because it helped to keep me in check. It helps with my high probability success rate, and overall it helps with the trend and keeping me on track, because like I said, stick with the trend is your friend, okay? You need to stick with the trend until the very end. So this is how this pair was looking like in just one day. Yes, just one day this pair did this, which is incredible. And let's just show you real quick what this would have looked like if we did not have the caterpillar indicator on. This is what we'd be looking at, which is, yeah, it's a big difference. It's a pretty big difference. I can definitely say that. And I think you can too. So let's not look at that anymore. Let's go back to our indicator. Just a few takeaways I hope you learned about on this video. First of all, this pair can be very exciting. It has a lot of wonderful big trends, minimal choppiness, which is what you want, because again, choppiness is pretty boring. Now what we want are the beautiful waves. And of course, we also learned that you want to be shorting when you are going down, and of course you want to be buying when you are going up. I think we've also learned that having an indicator with you is definitely beneficial when you are in the Forex trading market, because it helps you to predict the trend, which is incredibly important because that's how you make the pips, right? And furthermore, looking at these trends, you want to make sure, like I said, you are on the trends, okay? Because you gotta stick with the trends. That's how you win. It's almost like you want to be on the train before it leaves the station. You want to be shorting while the trend is going down before it begins to rise up. Vice versa, you want to be buying while the trend is going up before it goes down. You want to be on your game with this, and having the right indicator definitely helps you to be on that game. Now, thank you guys again. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content. And furthermore, if you would like to learn more about Forex trading and about keeping yourself with the trends, I have the trend tool linked in the description. And again, if you would like to learn more, I have the trend tool linked in the description. You can get the free demo. If you'd like to check out our new trend trading indicator, then don't forget to click the link and sign up for a free demo.